Ready.
So these are two big wheels which provides compatibility to the model and the balance that it needs to go and move forward. These are high-speed motors. As the name suggests, this provides speeds to the model. This is the brain. As we have the brain, as we have nucleus in cells and brain in human bodies. This is the brain of this whole system. These are advanced motor ports which will control the direction as well as the magnitude of this. These are ultrasonic radiation providing sensor ports, and this is the IR sensor, which is the most prominent and most important thing for this model. It will detect its surroundings and gradually protecting it from any kind of harm. It will detect the predators and also the surroundings. Sir, if I talk about its explanation, then it is used by the Indian naval system to protect themselves from any kind of terrorism, sir. I have explained all the parts, sir. Coming towards it, it is a tectonic plate and the whole model resides on it. Sir, so that's all about our model.
चालू करके
You liked
दिखाइए.
it? Okay, sir. I will let you show the working of this model. It will attack the book because it thinks that it is a predator for it. And the main reason for it is the IR sensor which I have talked about. It will gather all the surroundings and will determine the data. So sir, this is all about our model. I hope you all liked it.